Secret recipes. Here's my secret recipe for one of my favorite places to eat, the Cheesecake Factory. Just about everything there is scrumptious, but the Chicken Madeira in particular is wonderful. I'm an advocate of entertaining at home. Save yourself a lot of money by being your own chef. Surprise your family and friends with this meal the next time you have guests. It's quick and simple. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast fillets, 8 asparagus spears, 4 mozzarella cheese slices, Madeira sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cups sliced fresh mushrooms, 3 cups Madeira wine, 2 cups beef stock, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Procedure: 1. Heat up 1 tablespoon olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Cover each chicken breast with plastic wrap, then use a mallet to flatten the chicken to about 1/4 inch thick. Sprinkle each fillet with salt and pepper. 2. Sauté the chicken fillets for 4 to 6 minutes per side, or until the chicken has browned just a bit. Remove chicken fillets from the pan and wrap them together in foil to keep the fillets warm while you make the sauce. Don't clean the pan. You want all that cooked on goodness to stay in the skillet to help make the sauce. 3. With the heat still on medium, add 2 tablespoons of oil to the skillet. Add the sliced mushrooms and sauté for about 2 minutes. Add the Madeira wine, beef stock, butter and pepper. Bring sauce to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 20 minutes or until sauce has reduced to about 1/4 of its original volume. When the sauce is done, it will have thickened and turned a dark brown color. 4. As the sauce is simmering, bring a medium saucepan filled about halfway with water to a boil. Add a little salt to the water. Toss the asparagus into the water and boil for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness of your asparagus spears. Drop the asparagus in a bowl of ice water to halt the cooking. The asparagus should be slightly tender when done, not mushy. 5. Set oven to broil. Prepare the dish by arranging the cooked chicken fillets on a baking pan. Cross 2 asparagus spears over each fillet, then cover each with a slice of mozzarella cheese. Broil the fillets for 3 to 4 minutes or until light brown spots begin to appear on the cheese. 6. To serve, arrange 2 chicken breasts on each plate, then spoon 3 or 4 tablespoons of Madeira sauce over the chicken on each plate. Makes 2 to 4 servings. Better yet, get a full collection of great secret recipes from your favorite famous restaurants. Thank you for watching.